Hello, hello, hello. I pray you're doing wonderful this morning, this evening, whatever time you get to watch this. Here's another super simple, soft glam look. Now, I do have other videos where I start from the very beginning to end. This is not the beginning. I've already laid down my foundation, and now here is where I apply concealer. You don't have to be as heavy with the concealer as I was. I had to learn to be a little more light-handed with it, but now I'm setting everything. That contour palette that I'm using, I actually purchased from Shein, and I really like it. Now I'm taking my Old Faithful loose setting powder by Maybelline in the color 25, and I'm setting under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, Cupid's bow, and I also set over top of my eyelid. I'm doing my brows. When you look at videos, you usually see some concealing the brows and all of that. I have done that in the past, and I still do. It really depends on the occasion. If I'm just running out somewhere, or I, again, just want a super quick look, I do this. But if I'm going to an event or something like that, I will definitely go ahead and conceal my brows. But for this look, I didn't. So you saw me add that gel liner to my eyes, put a thin line over my top line and in my waterline, and smudged it out. Now I'm setting around my jawline with that e.l.f. foundation powder, just going back over my natural moles where they are. The liner is by Ruby Kiss. It's a chestnut color. The lipstick is Hot Sand by Maybelline.
This look is so matte. Yeah, feeling this. It's been so long since I did a matte look. I mean, the lips are matte, they're not glossy. I don't have any highlight whatsoever. Now, if you're seeing a little bronze, that's because this bronzer by Milani, it does give that kind of reflective, kind of little bronzy look. So I'm loving that. But you know, I usually go in and add the highlight. Two of my favorite highlights, I actually stack them. But today, in this 43rd year, I'm going to go all matte. That's it.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to share, like, tap the notification bell to be updated on new video uploads. And please give this a thumbs up, because it lets YouTube know that this is something that others should see and will want to look at. So if you're new here, hello. I hope that you enjoyed this and the other content here. I hope that you would subscribe and come on and join the fun. I have lots of edifying content, style videos. I mean, I have a little bit of everything here. So I pray that you're blessed. And until next time, see you later.